Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price news and forecast. XAU USD consolidates as risk appetite picks up. http ntvforex.com news ID 72db67. 5 minutes ago. By NTV Forex team. Gold price forecast sell the fact on disastrous US Q2 GDP. Gold XAU USD witnessed another attempt to the upside on Wednesday and tested the record highs of $1,981.34 after the U.S. Federal Reserve Fed struck a dovish tone, as widely expected. The Fed pledged to keep the monetary policy accommodative for an extended period and warned that the path of the economy will depend significantly on the course of the virus. The U.S. 10-year real yields dropped to an all-time low of 0.95%. Downing the US dollar to fresh 2-year lows while boosting the non-yielding gold. On Thursday, the yellow metal eased, as the Fed's dovishness lifted the sentiment on the global markets, although the optimism was capped by the US fiscal wrangling and nervousness ahead of the key US Q2 preliminary GDP report, due later today at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. economy is likely to see the steepest contraction 34.1% annualized since 1929 in Q2 due to the coronavirus pandemic. Read more. Gold consolidates as risk appetite picks up. Gold traded lower early on Thursday, as investor mood was buoyed by the dovish stance of the Federal Reserve. On Wednesday, the Fed committed to leave interest rates near zero and pledged to use all its tools to support an economic recovery. Members of the Fed's policy-setting committee voted unanimously to keep the target range for short-term interest rates at between 0% and 0.25%. At a news conference on Wednesday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell said the path forward for the economy is extraordinarily uncertain and will depend in large part on our success in keeping the virus in check. He added there's probably going to be a long tail where a large number of people are struggling to get back to work. He made it clear that the Fed is not even thinking about raising rates. Read more. Gold price analysis. XAU USD flirts with session lows near $1,950, US GDP in focus. Gold extended its steady intraday slide and was last seen hovering near the lower end of its daily trading range, just above the $1,950 level. The precious metal witnessed some profit-taking on Thursday and has now erased the previous day's positive move to the $1,981 area, or record highs retested in the aftermath of a more dovish Fed commentary. The U.S. Central Bank reiterated to keep rates near zero until it is confident that the economy has weathered the recent events, which, in turn, underpinned the non-yielding yellow metal. Read more. XAU USD. Overview. Today last price. 1953.98. Today daily change. 17.47. Today daily change percent. 0.89. Today daily open. 1971.45. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 1838.3. Daily SMA 50. 1775.77. Daily SMA 100. 1717.1. Daily SMA 200. 1625. Levels. Previous daily high. 1980.89. Previous daily low. 1941.58. Previous weekly high. 1906.68. Previous weekly low. 1805.86. Previous monthly high. 1785.91. Previous monthly low. 1670.76. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 1965.87. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 1956.6. Daily Pivot Point S1. 1948.39. Daily Pivot Point S2. 1925.33. Daily Pivot Point S3. 1909.08. Daily pivot point R1. 1987.7. Daily pivot point R2. 2003.95. Daily pivot point R3. 2027.01. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.